Ikwere no be Igbo. Abo no be Igbo. Akwa Ibom no be Igbo. Calabar no be Igbo. Delta no be Igbo. Asaba no be Igbo. Bayelsa no be Igbo. So now that you guys have found out that all these areas are not Igbo, South no be Igbo, Niger Delta no be Igbo. So what do we call the coup of 1966? And you guys have been quiet all this while. They are labeling this coup of 1966 an Igbo coup. So none of you have ever come out to defend the Igbo or even to defend their region, to say, no, our son, Chukwuma Nzeogwu, is not an Igbo, is not from an Igbo tribe. That Nzeogwu is not an Igbo tribe. So, it is not an Igbo coup, which means that coup is practically a Delta coup, or Rivers coup, or Niger Delta coup, or South coup, not an Igbo coup. Why have you people not asked these questions? Why have you people not been able to defend your region? Why have you not been able to stand your ground, your foot, and say, no, all these things is not an Igbo coup, it is a Nigerian coup? Because these states, these places I mentioned right now, are not part of the Igbo. And in as much as this country is concerned, is either you belong to Igbo or you belong to Nigeria. And now that you guys are not part of the Igbo, it simply means that you are all in Nigeria, which means the coup is a Nigerian coup. So how come Biafrans, the Delta, the Igbos are the ones that suffers the consequences of a sin being committed by a Nigerian who is a Nzeogwu? How come? How come? What about the Asaba massacre? So what led to that? How come Nigerian soldiers gathered their own citizens, Nigerian citizens, the Delta citizens, and shoot them? Why? Why? It is time for you to gain sense. It is time for you to gain sense. Because the more you look, the more you defend all this rubbish, the more you make mockery of yourself.